Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna be making bolovanes, and if you don't know what they are, they're puff pastry shells and they have a ground beef mixture inside. They are just out of this world. Now if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 quick and easy videos every single week. They're always fun and fresh recipes with a twist to them. Now let's get started. I'm starting off here with a half a pound of ground beef, and this is going to fry with a little drizzle of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and a half of a chopped onion. Now fry this up until the ground beef gets all those yummy golden bits all over, and when it looks like this, after about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to be adding 2 chopped tomatoes and a half a bunch of fresh chopped mint. I'm going to fry this for another 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes cook down a bit and they're going to turn into a nice sauce. Now for the next step, I'm going to be baking up my pastry shells. These are found in the freezer section of your grocery store in the dessert aisle. They come with 6 shells, and I'm going to pop these into a super hot preheated oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is what they look like when they're done. I'm going to be removing the little center circles from the shells and filling them with the ground beef mixture. As you can see, these bolovanes were so quick and easy to make. These are the definition of the perfect party food if you really wanted to impress all of your guests. The taste is so incredible between the puff pastry shell and the meat filling. I like to top these with a simple salsa. And don't forget, all the ingredients to all of my videos are always listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you next time for another quick and easy recipe. Bye.